Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm so excited to share with you an indicator, an MT4 indicator, which I tested and gained very good results so far. And as you can see here on my MT4 platform on US dollar Swiss franc chart, we have this indicator. It's called Vertex arrow indicator. So if you want to see what's all about and how this indicator works and how you can download this indicator for free, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right, so that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone. So I want to tell you, I hope everybody is well today, and I want to tell you from the beginning of this video that this is an MT4 indicator, and I'm using it on a 1 hour time frame. This proved to be the best time hour for me, but you can try it on any other time frames. And another thing is that you can use it for to trade forex, cryptos, indices, stocks, and also you can use this arrow indicator to trade binary options. You can use it on 5 minutes time frame. I will make another video and I will try to trade binary option using this indicator. But in this video, let me tell you more about the Vortex indicator. It is a forex trading oscillator showing results on the market analysis of several technical indicators, and it generates high accuracy trend reversal trending signals. Is displayed in two modules, but one of the modules which is located in separate windows, I deleted that one, so it will be easier for you to read it, and there is no need that the first module is the main oscillator, and the other one, as you can see it here on the chart, buy and sell arrow are shown on the main chart. You can easily spot the best moments for getting into the market. Just follow the next close candle after an arrow, and this way of visualization of signals is preferred both by beginners and advanced traders. This trading tool was developed on a basis of three classic indicators: moving average, momentum, and Bollinger Bands, and they are built on MT4 platform by default. So those fundamental indicators are commonly known among traders. So you must know that this indicator sometimes is repainting, but personally I don't mind that much, as it is still very powerful tool, especially with dots appearing after arrow signals, and you can try to add your own favorite filters, and the outcome may be really promising and profitable. And how you can install this indicator, I will not show you because I'm showing this in every videos, but the steps are the same. Download the indicator. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to download for free this indicator. Download this indicator by clicking the link button on the bottom. You go on a blog post on my website, and at the bottom of the blog post you will find the button where you can download the indicator. Copy and paste the Vertex indicator file into MetaTrader platform NQL and then indicators. You can gain access to the folder this way: file, open data folder, MQL for indicators. Restart your MetaTrader 4 client, select chart and time frame where you want to taste the indicator. Browse the indicator in your navigator is located in the left. Your MetaTrader 4, see right here is the navigator. Just drag and drop the indicator, and as you can see we have here also this alert of a signal just occurred here on US dollar Swiss franc chart. And as you can see here, let's take a look. This is a nice down signal. But let's have a look. So the most important is to see when you see this dot and also the arrow, like in this example here, that is the this is a very powerful signal. So in that moment you should place a down trade. Also here, as you can see this signal here, let me go ahead and I'll put a little bit the pen. And as you can see, we have the signal here. Just wait the next candle, which proved to be this one, and over here you place the trade, a down trade. And this is again another signal, and you see here, you see the dot. Also here there is the dot on this up signal, and all you have to do is to wait this candle here, and here you take a shot on a buy. So let me go ahead and I'll show you a bit. This is how much, if you enter here in the market, you will have 130 pips here. If you place the first take profit here, and the second take profit here, and the third take profit over here, you will have 164 pips. Also here, as you can see, if you go here in the market until here, you have 89 pips, which is not bad, not bad. Let's see another example here. As you can see, another one here, another one up signal here, down signal here. Let's see another one, an up signal here. And as you can see, you can make a lot of money if you are using this indicator. So that's all about this Vertex indicator. You can download this indicator below this video in the description area. If you have question, put a question in the comments area. And if you like the video, also give me a like and share this video to your friends. Don't be greedy. Also, you'll have a link where you can access for free my Telegram group, free signals Telegram group. And also there I will share more information about some new NFT projects and many other projects that you can make you a lot of money. So let's earn together, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.